Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to simplify the following. Every time we see this, like the numerator or the denominator that can be factorized, we factorize. So in this case, I'm going to factorize using the cross chart. I have my x squared here. X times x will give me my x squared. My 4. Well, 4 I could have 1 times 4, 2 times 2. Which pair will be enable me to get a 5? Yes, 1 times 4. But if I want a negative, yes, negative 1 times negative 4 gives me positive 4. So in this case, it does enable me to get my negative 5x because I will get negative 4x here, negative 1x here, and they will be able to give me my negative 5x. So I'm able to get my factors. For the denominator, I'm going to put a bracket so that it's easier to see. I will have positive x, negative 1, positive x, and negative 4. And when I saw a bracket that is the same, this one will become 1 over 1. So final answer, 1 over x minus 1. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.